Python or any programming language, you always want to output whatever you have done, and one of the easiest or one of the most common ways of outputting your results is through plots, and this is very, very important when it comes to data analytics, where you want to have visualizations to show to people of the results of whatever you've done, because no one will care about how you wrote your code. They will care about the results and whether they are making sense. And the easiest way to do that is normally through plots, and that is why we are going to take some time to learn about different kind of plots, and I want us to start with line plots. So in Python, there are several tools that you can use for plotting. However, the most widely used plotting package for Python is matplotlib, basically mathematical plotting library, and it's so powerful and flexible, and it comes with so many other libraries. In fact, matplotlib is simply an external library that consists of a collection of other libraries. So if you install Anaconda, then probably you already have it and you don't need to install it. So you just need to call it by simply writing or understanding how, by remembering how we import libraries. So we simply say import mat to mean matplotlib.pyplot, and instead of writing this whole word every time, we can abbreviate it as PLT, so that anytime we write PLT, we simply mean matplotlib. So once we do that, let's run it, and then I want us to create a set of data, and for this example, I want us to use an arbitrary kind of data, and as we know, line plots are good for showing trend or time series kind of data. So I want us to create a sample of daily temperatures and then plot that against the day. So Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So let's do that. So our x-axis is gonna be a day. So we're gonna just create a list, and that is why we were learning those kind of types of data. So day 1, day 2, day 3, which is Wednesday, day 4, Thursday, 5, Friday, 6, Saturday, 7, Sunday. And then we create the temperatures, temp. So we are basically creating a list of containing our data. So on Monday, let's say the temperatures was 23. On Tuesday, the temperatures was 22, 20, and then on Thursday it dropped to 19, and then on Friday it was 18, then on Saturday it shoot to 24, and on Sunday it was 26. So those are the temperatures. So if you want to plot this, we can simply do plt dot plot, and it takes x and y. So plt, you are calling the function called plot from the library called matplotlib, that is abbreviated as plt, and x is gonna be our x value, which is day, so we replace this x with day, so that's the x-axis, and then temperature is gonna be y, which is our y-axis, so do temp, and once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to show it. So we can do show to show our plot, and so apparently it tells me that x and y must have same first dimension, so it means I've added more values or my values doesn't correspond, so either one is more or less. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to add another value for, let's say, 27. So let me run it, and this is our plot. So you can see on the first day the temperatures were 23, and then it drops to 20, and then to 19, to 18, and then it started rising again. So this is a simple plot. Of course, you want to add other things on the plot, like label the y-axis and the x-axis. So to do that, you use still a function called while x label, and then this is simply takes a string, so our x is day of the week, and if we run that, you will see it should return the day of the week on the x-axis. So I don't know why it's throwing an error. So okay, I missed, and it should be x label like this, and that will give you, it will name the x-axis. We can do that for the y equally by simply changing this to y and then changing the value here to temperature in Celsius. And of course we can run that. Of course we can also add the title, pyplot title, and then say temperature weekly temperature. So you can see now everything that you have learned is coming into place. The strings, we are using strings to label our access, our title, and we are using the ID of list to create some hypothetical data. So this is how you do a line plot in Python using matplotlib. So in the next session, we're going to look at bar plots.